Hello, everybody. So, in this operation, we will begin to use the insertion, vertex insertion, actually. So, when we say vertex insertion, we are actually working on with inserting a new node, particularly. So, we do have here, we are using earlier with the undirected graph that we do have earlier for the adjacency matrix that we're able to get. But right now, we will begin to go ahead and work on with inserting vertex, the same procedure, the same, wherein we'll begin to use the undirected, the adjacency matrix. So how can we work on with the insertion operation wherein we have to insert node L, then we're trying to definitely utilize here the specific we have L to K, then or K to L because that is bidirectional, then J to L or L to J. How can we work on? We have to actually okay. What will be the data since this is actually we can this is actually a weighted graph. We can say 50, and we can also say here um 28. Okay, that's the criteria, that's the data to begin to work on. So let's actually copy this one because you have to draw actually a new set of graph once you will begin to insert that one. How to work on that? Since this is the graph, then you'll begin to go ahead and draw L, wherein your direction for your L will become like this, and then the connection is K to L, and then L to K, that is already done, and J to L, and L to J. Now you have to put the cost as well. K to L is actually 50, and L to J, that is 28. How to work on with this one class? Since that you do have here already the you already have earlier the adjacency matrix. You have to get another, you have to get that first, and then so assuming that we're able to, you're able to get the adjacency matrix, what we will need to consider, you have to add another set of um you have to add another set of rows and column. How to manipulate to work on that? It will be like this actually. Let me just go ahead and delete that for a while. Then add L here, and then it will become A, B, C, D, E, then F. No, no, no. It's not A since we're from F. Okay. So this is F, G, H, I, J, K, and L. So therefore, your L is connected to K, and then connected to J. And then your L also connected to K, J, and K. Okay, will be like that. So what's gonna happen? Everything will be marked as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 here, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this will be the updated adjacency matrix once you will begin to work on with the insertion. Hopefully that you were able to understand how we're able to insert that here. You have to add another set of new row and new column. Okay, make sure to have it step by step, particularly. So that's really basic, and in the next operation we'll begin to run through also the insertion using inserting of specific edge alone. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day, everybody. Bye bye for now.